As you head into Mandeville's tire warehouse with us, I want to remind you that life was meant for living, not merely existing, but enjoying new experiences. It's trying new things and creating memories. There's a beautiful quote that says, "Fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show." These are the entrance?
No, I think for the next one. Thank you, dude.
Reach your destination. Life, Duke, new experiences. This is charcoal with bamboo and some other mixtures. That's supposed to be taking out toxins out of my body.
Burn up bamboo.
Let's see.
It's cover.
Bombard.
What?
Look, this nice.
So how many I got taste now? You always drink it up? I saw you go work. I don't understand you.
Look, this nice. This not taste like nothing medicine. But you have turmeric drink.
It's
to
not
feed more here, so I must share my one.
It's turmeric extract. It's not a drink.
Oh, to mix other things in the future. My lord, I said I was going to carry home some for you. But this nice bad. It don't taste nothing like any medicine thing in there.
Why do I want to cover my hair? Come.
It don't taste bad. It tastes like something. I don't taste the grape juice a moderate taste, but it have a like a lime lemon taste, some citrusy taste.
But it definitely don't taste like you're drinking charcoal. So go ahead and taste it and then I'll tell you what's in it. Tastes like grape juice. Okay, what it have activated charcoal, bamboo, and some other ingredients that's supposed to help clean you out.
What is it? Tastes good.
Okay, it's made activated charcoal and bamboo is in it.
But the charcoal make bamboo make activated charcoal, you know.
What?
I guess they use the bamboo, I don't know.
What?
As
It's
well.
bamboo
Yes.
and charcoal.
Alright, so I conceal and I'm tasting it, my drink.
Alright. So she give me some. I'm gonna try it now. Alright. Look kind of black on the way. Not that me racist. I'm not juice racist. But let's taste it. Charcoal and what? Bamboo?
And bamboo and some other ingredients.
Let's see. Oh.
It don't taste not like how it look.
Nice. It's refreshing. It almost tastes like almost like it have a berry taste.
Berry, I tasted coconut water. Like coconut water is the base.
Something I go on night what tastes nice. I'd buy it again for sure. I need to research how to get more of this or how to make it myself.
You want to run the man out of business?
No, for myself alone.
Okay. Activating charcoal in it.
Yeah. And I must say, I mean, I've gone through Mandeville, and like, everybody is so health conscious in Mandeville. I like it.
Yes, that's true. We saw everybody wearing their mask for one.
Yeah.
It wasn't like one off you would see somebody without their mask, and it's because she was drinking something.
Mm-hmm. Them have some good bathing people.
Almost every corner somebody's selling something to boost your health in these COVID times.
Yeah. Discussions on every corner. I went into an auto shop. Them a talk about what you can take to boost up your immune system. All these things. Then they're trying to serve me because the customers they talk about it and the owner.
Oh my gosh.
So big up on yourself, Mandeville. I like it.
Oh, and them gave him a workout at the store to kind of send him up and down the stairs.
Yeah.
He gets a free workout.
About 3 times.
Up and down some stairs.
Yeah, man. Shanna, give me some more on this.
So I'm carrying home the rest so my husband can taste it. He's not getting any more.
Nice.
We're saying cheers to new experiences. Right?
Yep.
I tried a new drink. I know I'm trying lunch at Mother's in Mandeville.
Indeed.
Right now, the rice alone can't eat by itself.
Yeah, I know I'm not taste the chicken, mentally true.
The rice shot.
I don't know what they put in the rice.
The young people them still said the word it's shot.
But it's addictive.
It's nice.
People them sell the real type of rice. The rice moist but not wetty. It's flavorful but not soft.
Exactly. It's perfect.
It can go on with a thing.
On to the new experience. I'm heading into a Phil's Hardware. I have never been and I've passed the place several times. But today we're on to new experiences. See? Experiences are find me. One new experience. Now I only see the brother cash somewhere and have to drive somewhere else go pick it up. Never see nothing go say yet?
On a day's work.
Right in a walking distance, I like literally cross the street. We're done. Literally cross the street. This is where we're picking it up. And right there where the car parks across the street is where we are coming from. We cashed. Yo, if anything drop down for me, you know, do up. One more new experience for the day. I often complain about a pain in my neck because I have a torn tendon. Now, the driver, Mr. Stennett, is saying I should get a, what kind of machine is this?
TENS, T-E-N-S.
A TENS machine. So I'm going to try this machine to see how it works in alleviating the pain. Now, Mr. Stennett, what do I do first?
Alright. So, the TENS machine, what it does, sends an electrical pulse along your nerves, right? And it pretty much short circuits or blocks the pain receptors. So that should result in a reduction in pain in the area for the time. And also it can improve circulation, a lot of stuff. There's a lot of positives to using a TENS machine as a pain killer with no side effects. It doesn't have any chemicals or anything, it's just an electrical pulse.
Okay, so what do I do now?
Alright, so you see 2 tips right there. Those are called electrodes. One is negative, one is positive. And you're gonna place it on right between at both ends of the pain spectrum. Anywhere you want to kill the pain, you put one to one side and one to another side. Sometimes they can have like more than 2 electrodes. They can have 4, 6, 8.
So
To surround the pain.
so I'm
You're trying to
feeling.
surround the
So
pain.
I know the pain is starting from my shoulder.
Alright.
So I put it at the shoulder,
Yeah. And maybe.
then the pain is traveling to my neck. So I
Alright.
need to put it
Right.
at my neck as well.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And you did that?
Mhm.
Alright, so I'm going to turn on the machine. You're going to feel an electrical pulse. Okay.
Let me just show them the rest of the machine. Now.
Oh, hold on, let me turn it on. It's not gonna start up just to turn it on. For now. Hopefully turn on. There you go.
This is the rest of the machine.
Yeah. Very nice. Very neat. You can walk with it. You can charge it using USB. It has a lot of different.
I'm not feeling anything.
No, you're not gonna feel anything yet. Let me show you now. So I'm gonna start. You can. There are levels to it. So I'm gonna start, and you tell me when you start feeling something.
Okay.
Feeling anything yet? Hold on. Ensure it's telling me that. Telling me that the connection. You have to press it on. Make sure it's on your skin.
It's on my skin.
On your skin. All right. Well, it's jumping off, so the connection.
Alright, let me hold it. I can hold it.
Alright. Tell me if you're feeling something.
Yeah, I feel something like electricity.
Alright. Tell me when, if you're gonna bring it up to a level where you feel it,
Mm-hmm.
but you feel it strong, but you can't manage it.
Alright, right there, so.
Alright, you know what part is it?
Right there, so I feel it strong.
You feel it strong.
Uh-huh.
You think you can manage more?
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. Yeah, should I back it up a little bit?
Yes.
Alright.
Why?
So, yeah. Well, describe the sensation. Describe what you're feeling.
It's feeling like a massage, but it's like it a beat the pain.
Yeah.
I don't know what it. Interesting. Now where do I get this machine?
You can buy it online. Actually not very expensive. Really, really useful.
But the problem now, may I use my hand? That is hurting to hold
You should
it.
be able to let it go.
Okay.
The electrode should be sticking. I mean, those are not there. Normally, alright, so those electrodes that you have on now, they should be for like a small area. You have bigger electrodes that you can place over other areas, but I didn't walk with it,
Oh, so it come with different
Different
padding,
sizes, yeah.
different sizes.
And you can buy, they're like replaceable. You know?
Cheers to new experiences.
Pay attention to my messaging.
There's a blessing awaiting you over there, and all your stressing, they will quickly disappear.